In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post products on Shopify. Whether you're just setting up your online store or adding new items to your catalog, this guide will walk you through each step with ease and clarity. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Shopify website. The homepage will welcome you with open arms, but to get started, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button, which is usually placed prominently on the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. At the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email associated with your Shopify store to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your email, the next step is to input your password. Double check that you're typing it correctly to prevent any unnecessary login attempts. After you've successfully entered your password, clicking the login button will grant you access to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where the magic happens. From the dashboard, navigate to My Store and then to the Home section if you're not taken there directly. Next, you're going to want to access your Products section by clicking on Products. This is the area within Shopify where you can manage everything related to the items you're selling, from inventory to product descriptions and images. In the Products section, you'll notice an Add Product button. This is your gateway to adding a new item to your store. Click on this to start the process of posting a new product. You'll be taken to a page where you can input all the relevant details about your product. One of the most important parts of your product listing is the highlight or the main selling point of your product. Type this into the designated area. Be thoughtful about how you describe your product, as this could be what convinces a browser to make a purchase. After filling in the product highlight, it's time to visually captivate your potential customers with images. Click on Upload New to add images of your product. High quality, clear images can significantly increase the chances of your product being noticed, so choose wisely. Once you've selected the perfect images, you can add them to your product listing. When you're satisfied with how they look, click on Done. This confirms your choice of images. Finally, with all the necessary details and images added, the last step is to click Save. This will officially post your product on your Shopify store, making it visible to all your visitors. Remember, the way you present your products can greatly affect your sales. Take the time to ensure your product descriptions are informative and engaging, and that your images are high quality and show your product in the best light. Pricing and inventory details should also be accurate to prevent any customer dissatisfaction. Congratulations! You've just learned how to post products on Shopify. This essential skill will help you keep your online store fresh and exciting for new and returning customers alike. Keep experimenting with different product descriptions, images, and pricing strategies to find what works best for your store and your audience. Happy selling!